Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. Another cold morning and our privacy fence project is finished. It's about 90 feet of 6-foot wood fence, all stick built, 4x4 treated posts, 2x4 rails, galvanized fasteners. Filled in all the grade problems. Isaiah's getting the latch put on the gate. There's the adjustable gate system, nice metal frame. Put a barrel bolt on there. Normally put the pickets on the outside, but the customer wanted them on the inside, and it was all right for this job. We can help you out with your next outdoor living project, decks, privacy fences. Please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching.